Hello wonderful viewers and welcome back to another fantastic video. My name is Mike Hall and today we have another very special unboxing. Now, in the last couple of videos you might have saw, we recently hit 1 million subscribers. Thank you guys so much for that. I cannot believe that this has happened. So, we celebrated the special by getting a very special truck, which you should definitely watch. I think the card is, I think it's going to be top right or one of these corners. Either way, definitely check out that video. I spent a lot of time working on that, and I think it came out really decently. Here's a little snippet of that. Cool. Don't want to spoil too much of that because you want to see the rest of the video on its own. Throw it in the description somewhere. But I also got another very special RC car. Now, you can already tell by the logo that this is an ARMA vehicle. It's one of the fastest ones in their lineup. So, you're probably wondering what's inside. Or not wondering, I don't know. No, the viewers are interested. I mean, they clicked on the video, so they would have to be interested. Make sure that you stick around for more of this truck in the video because it's going to be very awesome. Although technically it's a car, so I shouldn't say truck. So, without further ado, let's cut to the unboxing video. Alright. This is going to be super awesome. I mentioned in the last video, I don't get why I wear sunglasses indoors. Oh no, wait, I do. It's because I have a super secret identity. It's a non-copyrighted song. Woo! This, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy about this car. Oh my gosh, this is super exciting. Alright, calm yourself, Mike. You're not a kid. You're an adult talking to RC cars. Still sounds worse. But anyway, let's unveil the brand new... Oh, wait. Messed that up a little bit. Introducing the brand new ARMA Felony. Whoa, that is a mean looking car right there. This thing is huge. Yeah. This thing weighs a lot. I mean, just absolutely wow. Again, it's in the box, but I can't wait to see what's in it. This thing does 80 miles per hour out of the box. You do not want to cross paths with this thing. It's called a Felony. I'm pretty sure that's a distinct warning to not mess with it. It only gets better! Wow! Holy cow. Okay, hang on a second. Let's see here. Shoot! This thing looks daggum hot! Oh! It's like if I touch it, just like, whew! That is hot. And it's a huge car! Yo, I underestimated? I don't know. Tell me in the comments below how you pronounce that word. Pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. I'm losing my mind here. Probably because this thing is so... Oh, that is... Ooh. That is stiff. Alright, let's see what's underneath the covers. Ugh. Whoa! Oh! Awesome. Holy cow. So, it uses, this is a 6S system and it does 80 miles per hour. That's pretty intense if you ask me. So this is the, I know this is a Spectrum system. I just got this car, so I still need to do some reading up on it. It's got one of the best motors for this car. Runs on either two 3Ss or one 6S battery. I think I'm going to run two 3Ss for a little bit of more balanced weight. Steering sounds good too. Oh, those are definitely some belted tires right there. Let's look at the back right here. Wait, what does it say back there? Nothing to see here, officer. Yo, that only just goes at how sick and like just monstrous this car is. That intercooler. Hold on, let's look at this with the body. But I kind of like it. Like, yo, my goodness, this thing looks monstrous. It's definitely a felony. Like, this thing screams illegal. This thing is like You do not want to cross paths with me. That's pretty intense. Yo. All right, well, let's stop staring at this thing sitting still. Let's get some awesome roller shots of this car.